Hello, everybody. Protect the environment, protect life. I am Engineer Derek Picasso of JP Environment Consultancy Services. Kakatapos lang natin ng environmental management training for managing heads at tayo ay natutuwa sa ating mga participants for their active participation sa ginawang environmental management training for managing heads. Galing sila sa iba't ibang regions and sectors. Bakit ba merong environmental management training for managing heads? Dahil po yan sa policy ng DENR through DNR Administrative Order number 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. Particularly doon po sa Section 8 ng Department Order na ito. Nakalagay po kasi sa Section 8 na ang managing head of the establishment 8 hours training on environmental management covering the basic environmental laws, rules and regulations, and the duties and responsibilities of the pollution control officer. Ang Certificate of Managing Head Training po ay form part ng requirements sa application for PCO accreditation per Section 8 ng DAO 2014-02. So kaya kanina we are very happy and thankful to the managing heads na nakapagtapos ng environmental management training for managing heads. Ang mga managing heads po, sila po yung highest executive officer of the establishment. Kasama dyan nga yung president, general manager, factory or plant manager, managing director, managing partner, chief executive officer, or local chief executive. At syempre, kailangan talaga po inform ang ating mga butihing managing heads ng kanilang mga kumpanya or establishment. Kasi dito sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02 or the duties and responsibilities of an accredited PCO, naka-indicate kasi dito that together with the managing head, ensure compliance with the requirements of PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, RA 9275, and their respective implementing rules and regulations or IRR and other pertinent rules and regulations. Sila kasi talaga naman ang unang-unang magsisiguro na compliant ang kanilang mga kumpanya sa mga requirements ng major environmental laws. So thank you very much sa ating mga butihing managing heads for choosing JPEX as the training provider for the training requirement per Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for Pollution Control Officer accreditation. At maraming salamat in behalf of the training team of JPEX. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso at thank you at sa mga future trainings nito. Thank you very much for your participation. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po ang ating managing heads. Protect the environment, protect life. Thank you po.